As you can see, 1 year later, it is still standing. We are gonna do an update in this video on this garage. Let's get into it. All right, guys, here it is. My $3,000 US, built in 5 days by one person, car shelter, AKA steel building, AKA you could call it a garage. Anyways, in this video, I am gonna show you some updates that I have done, and I'm gonna show you how it held up for a year, because it is a year later, guys. Let me invite you inside and show you everything that I've upgraded first. So yes, guys, it has held up, no problem, all this time. And I have done some upgrades to it, which I'm gonna show you. And everything else held up, which I will also show you. All right, so upgrade number one. So off of like Craigslist, I got a whole bunch of these pavers. I got lots of them. You can get them used cheap sometimes, so I lucked out. So check it out. I got a whole bunch of them, and look what I did. I made a floor out of them. Check it out. So yes, it is kind of all over the place, because originally I only had enough to do 2 rows for the wheels, which made it absolutely awesome. But then I ended up getting more, so I just kind of threw them in between. So that was upgrade number one. So I mean, it really makes the cars drive in and out, no issues, no problem. Super cool upgrade. I'm very happy with that. So that was number one. Number two, if you watched the first video, right at the end, I put these beams in, right? So I never did mention that. See, I attached them like that on every single one, which sturdied it up. And also now I can store stuff up there, which is pretty cool, right? And then a big concern I had from everybody was that it wasn't strapped down and it was gonna fly away. So this is what I did for now. In every corner, see, I ran some boards, and I got a whole bunch of cinder blocks, see, just to weigh it down even more. I haven't had any issues, obviously, because it's still here a year later, right? But I am gonna strap it down better, guys. I'll get back to that at the end of this video. See, so that's what I did there. Otherwise, this thing held up incredible. I'm very happy with this thing. Okay, let's go outside. Okay, so on the outside, guys, I haven't done anything actually. Winter came and went. This thing had so much snow on it. Nothing happened to it. It never shifted. It never moved. It held up. I will have more upgrade videos in a couple years, I'm sure, but so far so good, guys. So there is one more upgrade I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, so this is the next upgrade I'm doing, and I am gonna make a separate video about this upgrade. There will be a link at the end, and there'll be a link to the building of this in case you haven't seen it. But I got a ground auger post hole digger here. What I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna strap this building down even better in case there's some kind of storm or something. So what I'm gonna do with it is, I'm thinking like right here, I'm gonna drill a hole with that thing right in the ground, right? I got some treated lumber. I'm gonna lower a piece of treated lumber down. I'm gonna screw it to this, and then I'm gonna fill the hole with cement. That is my plan. And I'm gonna do that probably on every corner to really strap it down. Like I said, it's been a year, it hasn't went anywhere, but just to be safe. I'll show you guys what I bought.
Oh, what we got going on back here today?
Well, this is bags of cement I got here, guys. See, these are just like that, 30 kilograms, 66-pound bags. I got 8 of them, and I got 8 or 9 of these treated long boards. So that's what I will be using, guys. So if you guys want to see the video on it getting strapped down, click on the video up top, guys. I'm gonna wrap this up. Hopefully you guys seeing it still be there, not blown away, will make you want to build your own. Till next time, everybody.